everyone, want to welcome you here at Car Connection in Little Ferro, New Jersey, and today we're featuring this very special bike. This actually belongs to a personal friend of mine. It is a 2021 Roadking, but there's a lot of work on this bike, and let's start this video because there's a lot to discuss. So it is a 2021. To take a look at the bike all around, and we're going to go through all the options that this bike actually has, starting from let's start from the lighting on the bike here. So as you can see, this is a fairing that was put on. Okay, this is a Clockworks fairing. The owner does have two screens. So right now we got Custom Works lights. Let's go through the lights real quick. That's a different light right there though. So we got lights here, we got lights here, we got lights added everywhere. All right, last mentioned, guys, so we do have a Legends adjustable suspension, and it is the Revo Arc, so you can see how you can adjust right there. Great suspension. Well, I might as well go through the Chromeworks exhaust. According with the exhaust too, there was a S&S 475 cam kit that was put on. So there is engine work done to the bike. It does produce around 112 horsepower at max RPM around 6,000. This bike was at, I believe, 77 stock, so it's quite a bit of a increase in horsepower. But as we can see here, you got good tread on the tire. Crash guards look great. There's a light right there. We do have an external filter here from Trask. Let's go through it. Saddleman seat. Bags are in really good condition all the way around. There's no damage on the bike. Look at the lights here. Okay, look at all the chrome, look at all the add-ons here. Again, here's the crash guard here. Footboards are stock, nothing changed here, but they're in good condition. Let's look at the calipers here to make sure they look good. Everything here, the dam in here, so everything looks really good. Let's take a pull back, take a better look at it before we start it up. Let's go to the speakers. So you got speaker add-ons here as well. So these are Rockford Fosgate speakers. It has a Plex Audio Bluetooth amp that comes with it. So let's take a look at here. So we got all the controls are chromed out. You do have the Sandoval Kraus risers, and you got so it's a Kraus T-bar setup. Mirrors look good. All the covers for the reservoir is chrome. Really nice looking bike. Let's take a better look. Let's start it up. Let's make sure we're close enough so that we can start it. Okay, so we got the fob near us. So we activated it, so now we can start. It's got 14,912 miles. We are in neutral, so let's always like to give it a quick crank just to make sure we are in neutral. So let's start it up. So the bike is a little warmed up already. It was ridden here. So let's just look at all the lighting here. All the lighting works. Lights are on. Here are your directionals. Here are the Advent directionals and hand guards. So they're integrated in there. So let's just give it a little rev. It's a really good sounding exhaust, and it's got great performance. Okay, let's shut it down. So once again, we got a 2021 Roadking Harley Davidson. A lot of extras, guys. We got thousands of extras here. I can't even compute how much extras there are, but you're talking a lot of money. So you're getting a nice clean bike, good mileage, that already has a lot of custom applications. So but anyway, give us a call, 201-440-1323. If you want to view specific pics of this video and these pics, you can also view them at www.carconnectiononline, which is right there. When you get to our site, just click the vehicle of your choice. If it's this motorcycle, just click the picture or bring it to a specific page, which will have 4 tabs. You'll have a tab for photos, which are photos that you're going to see on our site that you're not going to see on some of the other sites because they limit our pictures. You can have a tab for video, which are videos like this that we actually offer on all the vehicles. You're going to have a tab for Carfax, which will give you a free VIN check and Carfax to the vehicle. You can also have a tab for apply for loans, so you can apply directly online for this bike or any vehicle of your choice directly online. If you have any questions regarding a finance option, call us at 201-440-1323. And last but not least, we offer warranties on all of vehicles, including motorcycles like this. Everyone stay safe. Thanks for viewing this video.